Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the two topics, that is trunking diagram of director exchange and distribution frame in Stravkar exchange. First we will discuss about the topic, that is trunking diagram of director exchange, as the block diagram is already visible on your screen. In director exchange we use three rank group selector, that is first code selector, second code selector and the third code selector. The first code selector route a local call from its level 1 to a final selector via first and second numerical selector, that is from local call from this route. Junction call are routed from the first code selector or from first code selector via second code selector or first code selector via second code selector and third code selector. The supervisory function is provided by relay in the circuit of the first code selector, and this is connected to a director by a uniselector known as the digit selector hunter. For long distance call, national number schemes are required. This is called subscriber trunk dialing, that is STD. Its implementation required the use of register translator in trunk exchanges. Introduction of international subscriber dialing, that is ISD, with a world number plan necessitated the use of register in international exchanges to translate the codes for different countries. I hope this diagram of trunking diagram of director exchange is clear to you all. Now move to a second topic, that is distribution frame in Stravkar exchange. The requirement of new lines will result in growth of traffic and require additional switches. In the exchange, great flexibility is therefore required in the trunking of an exchange by inserting distribution frame into permanent exchange cabling. These frames contain an array of terminal block, and the terminals are linked in a less permanent fashion by wires called jumpers. The main distribution frame, that is MDF, is a place where the cables of the customer distribution network terminates. The terminals on the exchange side of the MDF are arranged in directory number, that is DN order. Protectors and fuses are mounted on the MDF to guard exchanger against any high voltage surges on the external lines. Some customers originate such traffic but other very little. The intermediate distribution frame, that is IDF, is used to distribute incoming traffic evenly over the group of first selector. The terminals on one side of IDF can be said to correspond to equipment number EN of the lines. Customer uniselector are therefore connected to the local side of the IDF, since the meter pulses on the P wire arrives at the local site. The IDF provide equipment number to directory number, that is EN to DN translation. Modern system provide the directory number to the equipment number, that is DN to EN translation, in order to enable customer incoming traffic to be redistributed in addition to their outgoing traffic. Between the selector there are trunk distribution function, that is TDF. If additional selectors are needed at any switching state, these can be accommodated by arranging connection in a TDF. For a digital switching system, the digital circuits are terminated on a digital distribution frame, that is DDF. In SPC system, EN to DN and DN to EN translation may be performed by a central processor. I hope this block diagram of distribution frame in Stravkar exchange is clear to all. Both the topics that we have discussed in this video, trunking diagram of directory exchange and distribution frame in Stravkar exchange, I hope these both topics are clear to you all. Thank you for watching this video.